Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you what's inside of my bump box. And if you guys want to see that, continue watching. So inside this month's bump box is a total of 6 items, and we're going to go through them together. So the first thing in this bump box is a back scrubber with handles. And it looks like this, I'm assuming once you open it. And this one, the value of it is $9 according to the ticket that they gave us. So there is Seriously Soothing Towelettes. So it's for your skin and your face. And this one is supposedly valued at $6.99. Also, there is a Bella Bee Body Buzz Post-Pregnancy Recovery Cream. So this is for skin firming and cellulite control. And this one is valued at, let me see, $12.99. Also, there's a Pregnancy Boob Tube Omega Rich Soothing Buzz Cream. So that's for your boobies, and that is $35. Also, some scrunchies, which is valued at $8. And also some instant oatmeal. So that was all that was in my bump box, and this is all of it written down, and supposedly is valued at $71, and we pay $40 a month for it. So in this bump box, there was a total of 6 items. I have not used any yet. I'm just trying to show you guys. But yeah, so thank you so much for watching my little short video of what is in my bump box for this month. And if you like videos like these, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember guys, soar like a butterfly.